Hi, this is Jeannie, and today I'm going to make a patriotic bow. Memorial Day will be coming up in a few days, and I was thinking that I would take my dad's flag. He was a veteran, and I was going to put it inside my lantern, but my lantern's not really big enough, so I'm just going to make a bow to go on top, and I'm using some new ribbon and some scrap. This is the new 4-in-1 by Probow. I'm going to use it today. It comes with these extra pegs, and I usually just put them to, stick them in there so I don't lose them. But you can also use Easy Bowmaker. Basically, all it does is just hold your ribbon for you, which is helpful for me. So I'm going to use this navy and white striped ribbon. I'm going to start with it. It's a 2.5-inch ribbon. It's canvas-like. I'm not going to make a huge bow. I'll make the tails about 10 inches, so I'm just going to pinch that up, drop it in the slot, bring it forward. And this has measurements on it, so I'm going to make about a 12-inch bow, so I'm going to come out to the 6-inch mark, drop that in, give the ribbon a twist, and make a loop on the other side. And cut that tail off. And then I really just have some scrap ribbon, so I'm gonna go with it. I can't make probably but a loop, but we'll see. That's okay. I'll even up these tails when I get through. I like using some scrap ribbon. This is some that I had left over and I just pressed it to use again. Let's see, I think I'll go ahead and put another loop of the navy. Take that one out and put it in the other direction. And then I have this little piece of red. Make that a little bit smaller, so maybe I can get 2 loops. And then I have this ribbon that's like God Bless America, and I've had this a long time. I don't know if I'm pretty sure it's probably not on the website anymore, but I cut off a piece of it. I'm just going to use one piece, and let's see. I should have put that under the red because I have just this little, I'm just going to kind of use it like to come down the front of the lantern where you can see it. So I'm going to put that in under the red and then put the red on top. Okay. And we can shape this after I get it finished. Use a little piece of floral wire, and you can use the chenille stem or floral wire or zip tie. I'm going to ease this up off the board, pressing that stack down. Get that out of the way. I'm going to take the wire, go right over where my thumb is holding. Come around to the back of the bow. I'm going to hold the wire and give the bow a twist. That's a little easier than twisting the wire. Okay, so now I'm going to take my homemade fluff box, and I have a link to, it's just a piece of wood. It's a 2x10 piece of wood with a little eyelet screw and a little nail. I've got a blog post that can show you how to do that. But it makes fluffing out your bows easier. So you just take that wire, go under that little eyelet screw, and then come around and just wrap it a couple of times around that little nail. And then you've got both hands free to fluff out your bow. And I'm going to go ahead and shape up some of these tails, kind of even them up. Usually on my 1.5 inch ribbon, I just leave it at an angle, and then I usually dovetail the 2.5 inch or wider. Just kind of put your fingers under that. Oh, this one, I'll need to dovetail that a little bit. Put your fingers under that ribbon just to kind of give it a little bit of a curl, a little bit of lock. Okay. And we can shape it some more after I get it on my lantern too. So now then, I'm just gonna take it off the board. Okay. And we'll put it on the lantern for the final touch, and pull that God Bless America tail where you can see it more. Okay?